Hi guys, today I will show you how to fix an Apple ID issue. Sometimes your Apple ID password is not working, and when you try to recover the password from the iforgot.apple.com webpage, you will see an error. This error. This Apple ID is not active. And when you try to reset the password from your phone, you will see this error message: verification failed, this person is not active. So the solution is you have to talk with Apple advisors. How? You will go to getsupport.apple.com webpage and you'll find the relative topic to your problem, which is deactivate your Apple ID accounts, and you have to talk with Apple advisors. Available time for Apple advisors is 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time. If you have any other problems to do this, I can help you. Just send me an email to my Gmail address, which is here, applefix1219@gmail.com, and I will help you. Thank you very much.